this video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to delete an Elsa Speak account. Firstly, launch the Elsa Speak application. Upon opening the app, you will be presented with the main interface. Next, locate the account icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This action will direct you to your profile settings. Once in the profile settings, identify and tap on the Edit Profile button. Subsequently, you will be presented with the option to delete your account. Simply tap on the Delete Account button to proceed. Before confirming the deletion of your account, please be advised that this action will result in the permanent removal of your account history and study progress within Elsa. To confirm your decision, you will be required to type Delete Account in the designated text box. After entering this text, the Delete option will be activated. Tap on the Delete button to proceed with the account deletion. A confirmation pop-up will appear, prompting you to verify your decision. Please note that this action cannot be undone. If you are certain about deleting your account, tap on the Yes option. Alternatively, if you wish to cancel the deletion, tap on the No option. Upon confirming the deletion, your Elsa Speak account will be successfully deleted. This concludes the process of deleting an Elsa Speak account.